F62 Fault Code Vaillant Boiler Alert. If your Vaillant boiler is showing the F62 fault code, it means the boiler has detected an issue with the gas valve operation, a critical safety feature that controls how gas flows into your system. This fault often appears when the boiler senses a problem during startup or shutdown, preventing it from igniting safely. The F62 code is your Vaillant's way of saying something isn't right, and it needs professional attention. At Net-Plumbers, our gas-safe registered engineers are trained specialists in Vaillant boiler diagnostics, repairs and servicing. We'll assess your system, identify the issue, and get your boiler back to full operation, safely, efficiently, and often within 24 hours. Whether you own an Ecotech, EcoFit, or EcoMax model, we know Vaillant boilers inside out. Don't risk making it worse. Trust the experts. Call 0330 5201642. Visit www.netplumbers.com. Net-Plumbers. Reliable, affordable, expert Vaillant